Barista Express Impress represents the next step in manual espresso machine functionality. Designed and built around the desire to simplify the areas of manual espresso that consumers often find challenging. This new assisted manual espresso machine is an evolution of our widely recognised and best-selling model, the Barista Express. First launched in 2009, the Barista Express set a benchmark in the espresso category, incorporating the same fundamental elements as a commercial espresso machine, what we refer to as the 4 keys formula, but in a consumer-friendly, compact size.
For purists, third wave specialty coffee has always been seen as best prepared manually, ensuring that it is remaining true to the craft and technique of an experienced barista. While this can form a hobby for some, a machine that requires that level of involvement in the process takes time to learn, practice, and finesse. For those that are new to the world of manual espresso, tamping can be a challenge and an area of real uncertainty.
What does a good tamp look like? How do I measure 10 kilos of pressure? It's also an area that can really impact the flavour of your coffee. By not tamping properly, it can easily result in under or over extracted espresso.
Then there's the mess of manual tamping. Until it becomes a practice skill, the process of tamping will always result in coffee grinds on your benchtop. How can we reduce the mess was a major requirement for the product design brief.
Looking at the current tamp solutions within our espresso range, we started to look for a middle ground. Easier than manual tamping, but more engaging than our fully automatic tamp systems, allowing consumers to decide how hands-on or hands-off they want to be.
How could we reduce the fuss and mess? How could we make the process more engaging and enjoyable for a consumer? And how can we fit this all into a compact footprint?
Another challenge is dosing. Between the variables of grind size and dose amount, correctly setting up an espresso can be complicated. Knowing this, we looked at ways we could remove one of those variables, therefore simplifying the process, allowing consumers to achieve the ideal amount of coffee in their portafilter.
Understanding these challenges, our team developed the Impress puck system, made of 3 components that truly solve the consumer challenges in a very clever way.
Firstly, dosing. The grinds are loaded centrally into the portafilter, helping to promote an even puck that is necessary for the best extraction results.
We developed an intelligent dosing system that is learning on the job. With each tamp, the dose level gauge provides feedback on the dose amount.
For example, if the dose is too low, the machine guides users to adding a bit more. When the ideal amount is achieved, green light and smiley face.
By removing the variable of dose amount, users can concentrate on the grind size. With 25 precise settings, users can accurately tune the machine to their chosen coffee beans.
The second component is the assisted tamp, a simple yet enjoyable interaction for users. By fully engaging the lever, users are applying a consistent 10 kilos of tamping pressure to the coffee puck. The tamp action is completed with a 7-degree Barista Twist Finish. The action replicates a motion that an experienced barista would go through when manually tamping, reducing grinds on the tamp face and polishing the puck surface.
The final component is precision measurement, which auto-corrects the next dose, creating a feedback loop. The level of the last dose and tamp cycle, along with any adjustments that were needed, are measured, memorized, and auto-corrected for the next time. By combining these components, the portafilter remains in a contained system, reducing the grinds on the drip tray and benchtop. Less mess, less fuss.
The Barista Express Impress also features the best parts of the Barista Express: our precision conical burr, thermocoil heating system, extraction pressure gauge, and manual steam wand for hand texturing microfoam milk, allowing consumers to enjoy third wave specialty coffee at home. The Impress puck system simplifies the complicated parts of manual espresso making without losing that hands-on feel.
You can be a barista at home with more accuracy and with less mess.
This is why we love this machine, and we really feel consumers will too.